Hey guys, FadeLegend99 here, and I figured I would do another video on a simple tutorial on how to replace your hard drive on the newest generation of the Xbox 360, because that is what I am playing with right now. You can look up other tutorials on the last generation, but yeah, let's get started. So I just unplugged my Xbox for this tutorial because obviously I'm not in the living room. And what you want to do is you want to get the side with the USB right here, and you just want to pull it, and as you can see here, there's going to be that little tab, and what you want to do is you want to pull on the tab, and then just pull forward, and it comes off. Hold on, let me show that again, since I didn't get it in frame. Just push and pull. Alright, and there's going to be a little tag that represents how many gigabytes are in your storage, and obviously mine says 250 gigabytes. And what you're going to do is you're just going to tug on the string. Don't be afraid, it's not going to hurt anything internally on your Xbox, so don't be afraid. Just pull. And yeah, and this is your hard drive. I know on the last generation it was a big bulky that took up half of the side of the Xbox. But yeah, now we move to this, and if you have another hard drive, you just put it in, and I don't know if you can hear this, but wait until you hear that, and you just put it on, plug it in, and then you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.